Hey guys! In this video, I'm showing you how to fix the A2P Maximum 3 tries exhausted error on GHC, so you can get your SMS sending back online fast without getting stuck. First off, this error usually appears when you've failed A2P verification 3 times, and your number is now blocked from reapplying temporarily. Here's what to do. Contact GHL support directly through their portal or phone. Explain that you hit the limit by mistake or need help fixing your verification. Next, make sure your business info is correct and complete. Double-check all documents like tax ID, business license, and message templates before reapplying. Don't forget, wait for the required lockout period, usually 30 days, if GHL says no reapplication is allowed yet. So should you panic? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, reach out to support, and try again after the reset. Let me know in the comments if you fixed this error before and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.